Hey guys. Okay, so today I wanted to talk to you about battening in under an existing house on a flood affected property, because we've had this question come up, or this situation come up a couple of times already this week. Now, I understand exactly why people want to do it. It helps to visually link the raised existing floor level to the ground, so it stops the house looking like elevated sort of spaceships up on posts. It also helps to give people secure storage for their cars and all of that sort of stuff. So yes, I get it. I understand exactly why people want to do it. However, if you're triggering the need for an application, I can tell you now, chances are that battening is going to be crossed off the plans and you're not going to be allowed to do it. Why? Well, there's essentially two different reasons. Number one, if it's going to be secure enough for you to store your cars under there, then naturally you're going to store other stuff. And here's the thing, you may know about the flood impacts, but the future owner or the future owner won't necessarily know about those flood impacts. So when a flood inevitably comes through, let's be real, they will, those future owners get their cranky pants on and they go around trying to sue everyone. So it's not in council's interest to go supporting those sort of outcomes, creating future headaches for themselves down the track. Number two, let's be real, if you go and put battens around a house, people are more likely to come along and go, oh, you know what? Let's just whack up some sheeting. Let's just secure that space, create like kids play area, rumpus room. It'll be so easy. It's really easy for people to do what I like to call the dodgy Rogy. So to basically go and do the work without approvals. However, if you don't have the battens there, people are more likely to go down the proper legitimate process to get the certification and therefore to find out about the flooding impacts. And again, we come back to the fact that you may be aware of the flooding impacts. You might be signing up to those risks and those risks is the best way to say it. However, the future owner and the owners subsequent to them are not necessarily going to know about those flood impacts. Because let's be real, no one ever does town planning searches before they purchase a property. They always think, oh, the conveyancer is going to do that. No, the conveyancer, if you tick the box for the town planning searches, they're just looking at the previous history. They're not looking at what you can do in the future. So these things inevitably get missed. People get cranky and they go around complaining to everyone that will listen. It's not a good outcome for anyone involved. So they're the two reasons why you're not going to be allowed to do battening under the existing house. That covers off everything that I wanted to talk about today. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane Town Planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.